Hello everyone. In this video lecture I'm going to discuss the application areas of GIS and along with this the benefits of GIS that I will present in front of you. Now there are several application areas of GIS there that is not that is very difficult to point out every application areas. I'm just going to show you some of the important application areas of GIS. For example, facilities management, that you can use GIS. Different types of facilities are there: hospital, police station, fire service. So those sort of facilities, if you want to manage as a town planner, as a municipality or corporation head, you can use GIS. Marketing and retailing, for example geo-marketing, geo-retailing, we can use geographical data very efficient way, and you can improve your marketing strategy by using GIS. Environment and natural resource management, we can also use different types of natural resource that are possible to manage very effective way using GIS. Environment monitoring purpose, we are using GIS. Land management purpose or land information system development purpose, we can use GIS. Every city, every municipality, every corporation, their vast amount of land, they are managed effective way using GIS. Transport and vehicle routing purpose, what should be the best route for transportation purpose, vehicle monitoring purpose, vehicle routing purpose, we can use also GIS. Especially city, congested city, they can use such type of they can use this. Health management purpose, we are using GIS. Different types of disease spreadness, if you want to monitor, if you want to restrict them, if you handle patients proper way, then we can also use GIS. Emergency response management purpose, for example, if fire incident happen anywhere, then the fire service can easiest way, in shorter time period, they can reach, they can reduce the damage, they can control the damage by using proper way of GIS. Real estate monitoring purpose, real estate property dealer, they can use GIS for handle their property business effectively, smoothly and intelligent way. And not only that, property dealer, even as a home buyer, house buyer, you can also use GIS to find out your suitable dream home by using GIS. Okay, and many more, as I told you earlier. These are the few of them I just present in front of you. Now, out of all those application areas, in the next few slides I'm just giving you few example scenario. For example, in case of environment, what are the effects of global warming? These spatial questions answer you can easily find out, or proper way find out using GIS. The effect of global warming, I mean the relationship between land cover and the temperature, that you can proper way represent their relationship. So relationship between land cover and the temperature can be presented efficiently. Where there are bare earth, that high temperature is there. Where the water body or forest lands are there, low or moderate temperatures are there. So in such a way, the relationship between land cover and temperature, land temperature, can be represent very beautiful way. So the effect of global warming that can be also indicate using GIS. For example, in the previous slide I show you emergency response. What is the fastest route to the hospital? For example, if accidents happen in any roadside, so the first response should be where is the nearest hospital. As you know, Google Map do this activity very efficient way. Whatever you will find in Google Map, that will very proper way, very faster way show you where are the nearest pizza shop from my house, where the nearest hospital, where is the nearest cinema hall. So all such type of cases in emergency response, we can also use GIS to give answer of this question, so that proper decision you can take in a timely manner. Health management is there. What communities are at risk from certain disease? So when disease spreads throughout the city or throughout an area, if you identify the patient's locations, if you identify the disease locations, then you can create a zone or buffer, and then you can find out what communities are present within this risk zone. Once you find out this, then you can take proper step to evacuate all such type of communities or take some appropriate step. So in lot of cases, health management, we can use GIS. Real estate, where is my dream home? So if you want to buy any particular home from a property dealer, you can visit their website, or you can visit their physically, and you can find out using GIS where is your dream home, whether this dream home I mean the home that you want to purchase, want to buy, that satisfy all your criteria or not. So in this case you can also use GIS in this way. Okay, so many more application areas are there. I mean some of the application areas are day by day coming, that you may not think about that. So few of these point I just present in front of you. Okay, in the next few slides I'm just showing you the benefits of GIS that basically implement in different application areas. Okay, GIS benefits organization of all sizes and in almost every industry, and there is a growing interest in awareness of the economic and strategic value of GIS. Every day the economic and strategic value of GIS is growing. Industry understand that the benefit of GIS. So in any size of industry, they are nowadays using GIS. For example, for improved communication, GIS map is a very useful way by we can communicate locational information, as I told you in my previous lecture. So I just show you one screen picture, which is show you nothing but a map. Through the creation of rich maps and high-tech communication system, GIS has greatly assisted in improving communication between different departments, between different disciplines, between different professional fields, different organizations, or even to communicate with public. So GIS enabled map, this high-tech communication system, help us to communicate locational information very improved way. Next one is there, improved decision making. GIS has led to a better decision making nowadays. For making decision in a improved way, in a timely manner, GIS can help you lot of way. It has enhanced our ability to make better decisions about the location of places. Whenever we will take any decision about the location of places, GIS is the ultimate way. Examples include real estate site selection. As a property dealer, you have to choose a appropriate site for construction of a apartment, building, or bungalow. Example of zoning, example of town planning purpose, example of conservation, route selection purpose, and natural resource extraction purpose. We use in such type of scenario, we have to take lot of decision. I mean, how to extract natural resource in a very efficient way. So for taking this decision, GIS can help you in a very useful way. People are starting to realize the significance of GIS in making correct decision about the location of an intended project. So people now are understanding that GIS is the very useful tool whenever you will take any decision related to location on the earth surface. For any type of project that handle locational data, then GIS is the ultimate one that you can use to improve your decision making process. Then come efficiency. GIS has promoted cost savings mechanism and measures resulting in a greater efficiency. These are associated like labor savings from automating or improving a workflow. So where we can use GIS by doing some automating work or by creating a good workflow for a project, for a work, you can save lot of labors. You can, and by labor saving, you can also save your project cost. So by implementing GIS in specifically in logistic operations, there will be dramatic improvements in efficiency. Logistic operations like from the warehouse to supply the products to the dealers. In such type of scenario, GIS can help you. By implementing GIS, for example, customer service, efficiency can also be increased by reducing the number of return visits to the same site and schedule appointments more effectively. So by which you can provide customer satisfaction, you can increase the customer satisfaction in timely manner if you supply the product, if you provide the service, then customers will be definitely very happy. So that's the way we can improve. So basically in the lot of cases where we will provide services, there in such type of scenario GIS can greatly improve. Then come improved services. GIS technology has transformed several services that might be unsatisfactory by virtue of failed human logistics. For instance, home delivery of packages has greatly been improved thanks to GIS. You know, Amazon product service, Flipkart or Swiggy food services, they are directly provide product to your house. They provide the home delivery service. In this scenario, the locational information they handle, and by using the GIS with this locational data, they can improve their service facility. Healthcare services have also received a huge boost. For example, home delivery of medicine, they also use the customer locational information, the location of the healthcare service providers, so that easily they can provide their healthcare facility to the customer. For example, another example is there. For example, ambulance driver can easily determine the quickest and the easiest route to the hospital thanks to GIS mapping system. And the last one is there, all of you know that the navigation system that are nowadays used mandatory in cars, making your life easy for cab driver and delivering quality service, timely service you can easily get from them. So in lot of services where the customer, we provide the home delivery service, healthcare facility service, for example Ola, Uber, such type of cases, car renting service, they provide such type of GIS. They use GIS for handling locational data, for improving their service, improving their efficiency. And then come another one, is very important one, which is called marketing, or you may call geo marketing, where all your existing customers are there. If you have a retail shop, if you are a retail shop manager, where all your existing customer, where we can found a new customer. So in such type of scenario GIS can be used. Integrating the power of geography into marketing planning helps the organization respond to both customer and marketing needs. So through geomarketing, GIS allow organization to improve acquisition of new customer, how to acquire new customers, and also retention of existing customer. We can't lose existing customer, and find new opportunities, providing competitive edge to succeed in today's volatile economy. We can't lose a single customer nowadays. So in such type of scenario, GIS or geo marketing can help you as a retail shop manager, that will definitely help you. So these are the few important benefits of GIS, but don't think that's not the only benefits are available. Lot of other benefits are still there. I mean, you understand, it's not to explain each and every benefits are really difficult in this stipulated time period. So I just try to give you the idea of application areas of GIS, and some of the major benefits of GIS are there that I present in front of you. So thank you.